Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial, we shall be looking at how to use single name on Facebook. Yes, this time around, we shall be looking at how you can easily use one name on Facebook. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now, before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, before we start, let me show you my Facebook profile. Now, you can see I'm using a single name on my Facebook profile. As you can see over here, I'm using a single name as my Facebook name. So you can see Freeman over here as my single name that I'm using on my Facebook account. So let me show you how you can also do same. Now, first of all, open your Play Store. If you're using iOS, you can log in your account on Android device and do this. It is very simple. So just open your Play Store and search for VPN LAT over here. So you can see VPN LAT. If you're already having this application, make sure you update it to the latest version, and also make sure you update your Facebook application. It is very necessary. So make sure you update your Facebook over here. Now, once you have updated your Facebook, open your VPN LAT over here. Alright, so open your VPN LAT application. Now, once you open your VPN LAT, just wait as it is loading. Now, once you open this application over here, you can see the servers over here. So select this one. You can see Indonesia. Select Indonesia VPN over here. So you can see, once you select Indonesia, you can see Jakarta. Now select the second one and wait for a while. So you can see start. So click on start to connect. And you can see processing over here. Now click on connect over here. And you are connected to the VPN. So you can see connected already. Okay, so now once you are connected to this VPN, just open your Facebook. So open your Facebook and click on your settings at the top right corner. Once you click on that, click on settings over here. Now, once you click on the settings icon, it's going to take you to the next. You can see over here, account center. Click on account center. And once you click on account center, you can see over here your profile. So click on your name. So select the account you want to use single name on. So make sure you select the account you want to use the single name on, and then click on name. So now you can see first name and last name. So for the first name, you can select your single name. So select your single name over here for the first one. So let's say for the second name, you can enter Freedom. And then for the last name, all you need to do is to repeat same or enter just a space bar. So you can enter the same freedom or enter a space bar. And once you are done with this, just click on review changes. So once you click on review changes, just make sure everything is correct and save these settings, and you can use single name on your Facebook account. So with this, you can easily use a single name on your Facebook profile. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more.